Exactly. Let's talk a little bit about a story that is just breaking. Not a tremendous amount of details, but we all remember back when President Clinton and Joe Sestak had that interesting connection. Joe Sestak, of course, said he was offered a job by the administration to drop out of the race against Arlen Specter in Pennsylvania. And then it came to light that actually former President Bill Clinton is the one who had placed the phone call to Sestak asking him if he might be interested in some sort of a position. Well, now President Clinton on camera apparently says that he didn't do that. What do you make of that?
Yeah, there still need to be a lot of details confirmed about this, and I think, of course, with Bill Clinton, you have to parse everything that he says. Is not is, and this denial will probably end up not being a clear, coherent denial.
Well, so here was the question, Michelle.
Yep.
Why did you campaign for Sestak if you tried to get him out of the race? He responded, I wasn't. I didn't try to get him out of the race. The reporter says for Arlen Specter, he says, I didn't try to get him out of the race.
Yeah.
So you're saying that maybe that's not a full denial.
Get him out of the race, get him to, who knows?
Right. But you know what?
Who knows? But the point is that it brings this issue to the fore again.
Yes.
And I wrote about this in the foreword to Culture of Corruption because it was just another example of the kind of pay-to-play thuggery that the White House has been accused of, not by the right, but by these own Democrats.
But let me tell you the significance of it, what I think. Darrell Issa was on the tail of this story since Sestak came forward. And then when Bill Clinton out of the government says it was me, this investigation stopped.
Right.
He's going, Congressman Issa, the sheriff of Congress, who could be getting a lot more powerful after November, now has an open door to say, let me go back in there. And this same Bill Clinton, who said Andrew Romanoff's my man in Colorado.
That's right. That's right. It's a pattern, and it calls to question the statements, the official statements that have come out of the White House legal office, because Robert Bauer is the one that put that statement together. And so far, none of the testimony has been sworn. But yeah, Darrell Issa's got a
So you're not saying that
piece of gold
somebody
there.
is lying per se, but maybe somebody who is an attorney by training has very artfully dodging.
Yes, the art of lawyering.
And do you think it could be any sort of a hit against President Obama by President Clinton because his man lost in Colorado?
Well, you know, there does seem to be this open dysfunction among the family, and they seem a lot more indiscreet about it nowadays.
All right. I think we all agree the Chelsea wedding went good.